How to fix this copy of Microsoft is not activated. Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix this copy of Microsoft is not activated. So basically I'm going to show you guys how you can easily activate the product. As you can see right now it says the copy of Microsoft is not activated right now. So as you can see here on the top, it also says the product activation failed. So in this case, what you can do first is this method is provided by the official website of Microsoft, so it's completely legal. So you just have to use the ops rearm command to rearm an Office installation. So we're going to just follow this process. Now the first thing that you have to do is find where your Office folder is located. First of all, open your File Explorer and head over to your C drive. From here, click on Program Files and find Microsoft Office right here. Now you will have to find this folder Office 16, and from here you are just going to copy this file location. So I'm just going to copy this, Control C, or you can even right click and copy. So once you've copied this, all you have to do is type in CMD on your search bar and run it as administrator. So I'm just going to run it. Click on yes, and once your command prompt is open, all you have to do is type in cd backslash. So type in cd and then backslash. It will change your directory. Now you are inside the C directory. Now you just have to paste the code that you've just copied right here. Right before the code that you've pasted, you have to also write cd here. So just type in cd right before this. So just type in cd and then space. Alright, so here, after you've done that, you can press enter and your directory will be changed to this. Now all you have to do is paste the code, this code right here. So you can just copy this code and then paste it right here. So I'm just going to paste it, and now you can press enter and it will start the processing. You just have to wait for a bit. While this is happening, please head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to our channel. Alright, after this, you are going to copy this code right here, OpenARM ops rearm.exe, and then copy it and paste it right here. And you're going to press space, and after that you're going to copy this SKUID. So I'm just going to copy this. So select exactly this part and then copy it. Now you can paste it right here after a space. So this is important. Don't forget to put one space right after this and then paste it. Now you can press enter and you just have to wait for a bit now. And as you can see, Microsoft Office rearm is successful. Now you can close all of this and try to reopen your Microsoft Word to check if the problem has been solved or not. Now if I open any blank document, as you can see, the product activation failed has disappeared. That is all for today's video, guys. I will catch you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.